Hello everyone! Julia and Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw a tiger. So guys, what you will need for drawing a tiger today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys, so let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw cartoon tiger. So let's draw our tiger from his eyes. So I will draw two circles, and tigers have circle eyes so they can see at night. So we are drawing two big circles and one more inside, and the same here, and drawing one more circle inside, and let's draw small circle here, 1 and 2 for the spotlight. And now let's draw his nose. So I will draw a straight line, a little bit curved here, and now I will go down and curve the tail around, and it will be like this, almost like a triangle but a little squished. And now I will draw one semicircle going inside and another one. Try to keep them similar. And now let's draw its mouth like this. You can draw some dots here inside. And now let's draw a curved line for the head. And now let's draw two ears. So we will draw a semicircle here and a semicircle here. The line going down, connecting this line. So, and now let's draw a circle around. So we will draw a circle here and here. And now let's draw its lines like a triangle down, one more, and a small one here. And the same going here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's really cute. And we can draw a line for eyebrow and a line here. So, and now we can draw its body. And let's draw a line going down. And now we will draw one more similar. Now let's draw its paws, 1, 2, 3 semicircles, and connecting with a straight line here. Now we will draw a curved line for its body, and again we will repeat a line here and try to keep the same distance for the line here. And tigers are very popular and very rare, so there are less than 7,000, I think, tigers in the world. And what they love to eat? Meat. So, and let's draw one more paw here. So we'll go with a curved line here, and let's draw its leg and paws as well. And you can draw one more there to show his fourth leg. And of course all tigers have their tails, so we go with a curved line and going down. It will be its tail. It's pretty cute. And now let's draw patterns for our tiger, because it has a lot of stripes all around the body, and it's not only on its hair but also on its skin, the same pattern, so you can easily identify if it's a tiger or not. And tiger is a symbol of New Year, so you can write your wishes here, write Happy New Year, And I will draw probably some New Year stuff, so I will draw some fireworks all around with the curved lines going in different directions. So, and you can draw some stars here. It's easy, like we draw almost triangle and then connect it. Or you can draw just dots or lines, it would be also great. And we can draw some little box here with a bow for the present, as it's New Year present. And we can draw maybe an envelope with New Year wishes. So we'll draw a crossed line on our rectangle and a heart inside. And we can draw a star here. I'm drawing two lines and squished line like a starfish, and a line down. And if it's squished, it looks even funny. And we can draw eyes and smile for the star. It's really cute tiger we have drawn today. So we have only to color it. Okay guys, now let's color our cute tiger. So we are just coloring with black its eyes, and as tigers can see at night 6 times better than people do, so we will be careful with coloring its eyes to make them look really cute and adorable. And I will make them blue, and you can make them green, or I will, maybe brown, or any color you will decide to do. I will use just light blue. And now let's color its nose. I will make it like pale pink or salmon, so we'll just color it with light color. And now we can color black stripes. So these lines you can color with pencils or markers. Just try to keep inside the line. No rush here. Take your time. And you can always pause the video and rewatch it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see my next videos. And here we go. And you can also use dark brown instead of black. It will also look very cute and realistic. And I will use orange for the body to make it really bright. So, and I leave this part white, and ears you can leave white or use the same as for the nose, and color all the rest around. And you can also follow the shape and color following the shape of the head, and it will look more 3D. And we will draw some highlights, spotlights with white pen or pencil, or you can leave some space when you are shading around. And it's a really cute tiger. It's like a big cat, probably the biggest cat. And here we go. So we will leave this part white, and the same for its paws. So just shading with orange. And the same here. So it's easy peasy. It's really cute. And now we will color all our stuff we have drawn with you. Just will make a series bit like salmon one. And you can also draw whiskers if you wish. So just and now let's color all this cute stuff. Oh, I will go with probably red here. What I love about the marks, you can always mix them together and get the color you wish. A small heart here, and I will color envelope the same color. Now let's color our firework, and you can draw as many as you wish of them. So I will just draw around pink and purple, and you can use your own colors. And purple. It's really adorable drawing we are creating with you guys, and look how it looks cool and really cartoonish. So I will just color these stars I have drawn, but you can color them with different colors. Maybe you will decide to make them rainbow colors. And look guys, how cute is our tiger. This is just the cutest tiger we have created today. Well done guys! Thank you for watching this video guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing tiger with us. And if you enjoy our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We love you guys. Bye bye.